And that's just been okay. That was very.
All right, testing one, two. Can you guys hear me now? Gotcha. Good.
All right, well, no, but that makes sense. They was a giant
new
debt.
product orders in the first quarter of fiscal 24 believes the primary reason is the customers are currently focused on, as Carl just said, installing and implementing products in their environments following exceptionally strong product delivery. I feel like this has happened with Cisco in the past here, along the way.
I'm not going to disagree with it. And there have been times, and interestingly enough, here it is back in 45. I would tell you that Chuck Robbins would say, you know what, we didn't do well. It was not a good quarter.
Yeah, computer did an update yesterday, and every time this thing updates, it disables the mic.
The customers wanted a lot. He had a problem delivering because of supply chain. So then when he delivered it, they turned out they couldn't handle it all at once. But it was a bad judgment. What people, of course, are saying is that there's a macro concern that the customer doesn't want, and these are the big hyperscalers. And Chuck will tell you that's absolutely not true. They want everything. And he had a big meeting with Jensen Huang the other day where they're talking about remember NVIDIA bought Mellanox, which was a company that helps integrate everything. And Jensen's going to Cisco and said, listen, we want you to be a partner too. Cisco resells some of the NVIDIA stuff. We can talk about Microsoft later.
Splunk shareholders were probably happy they took all cash.
No disagreement there. Yeah. And the Splunk deals, I was hoping to hear the Splunk deal would be closed because it's cash. March, April, but it's really up in the air.
It's going to take a little while. I mean, it's moving along though.
Right, but I want to say, because Nikesh is going to bury an axe in my head, that Nikesh Arora
from Palo Alto
is arguing that there's absolutely no change. That
he says it's not a function of demand.
Right, and he made a point that the profits are what matter, and take a look at the revenues, and then it gets into this concept TCV, the total contract value, which included financing, because he said that the cost of money's gotten so high. That conference call was incredibly contentious, where there were people. At one point, someone said, is this like Cisco? Have you listened to Cisco call? And he goes, no, you see, like, I'm actually giving you my call right now. But when I'm done, I will not listen to Cisco because that's a hardware company and we're not. Yeah. It was, then stocks down 70. Remember, this was the sixth best performer in the S&P coming in.
Right. I mean,
looking for a continuation on the short side.
Maybe not as much as they came in. Alibaba also, a lot of expectations. They came in hot. Baba had been up a lot, for example, just in anticipation of the summit of Apex.
Yeah, so, Target was ice cold.
And Target was ice cold. But
looking good. We're looking good, ladies and gentlemen. So here we go. So for those of you guys that just joined, let me just give you a little run through. All right. Yesterday we ran up, created a new high, dropped, popped back up, but we couldn't break the previous high, which was a good sign. After that, we broke down slowly. Last night broke down, bounced. We're still kind of going sideways. So I want to see either we get a pop to 45, 24, 25 area and short, or we get a close below 45.15 to then short, because then that would be a confirmation, or even 45.10. If we can have some nice rejections below the prior daily low, which is 45.1075, we can continue all the way down here to 44.72. So I'm liking that the RSI and stochastic are resetting, and prices like right up here hasn't broken above, which is a really good sign. So I'm going to take a short on the forex side. Just entered, and I'm gonna be and I'm gonna be targeting these lows. So essentially I'm targeting 4,500 even. I would love to see a daily close below 4,500 today, which could end up, bringing us back down into the mid 44.30s, the 44.40 area. I would love that. So let's see what we get today. Not really looking to get ahead of this. So now let me take a look at Tesla. What are we looking like on Tesla? Tesla, oof.
They're going to continue ahead with the plans. With a chance of meatballs, is that what you're telling me? Other units, but cloud is staying behind. And that may degree of disappointment. As I said,
Apple
it
just
also, in terms of
relentless.
came in with a little bit of enthusiasm in terms of some hopes for a breakthrough, perhaps between Biden and Xi that would reflect positively in some way.
Tesla.
Maybe but in the quarter, which was fine, but not
If
phenomenal.
Tesla can't get over 242, I'd like Tesla for a pullback down to 230.
China's been so hit or miss. It was good for Starbucks.
Yeah, yeah.
I know we have
So
this labor issue coming up.
let's see what it does.
Didn't have the open up yesterday, mine, but they were out of the gingerbread. The other gingerbread fine. But I would point out that I'm not worried about Starbucks because the demand for a coffee is great. Nike is still saying good things. Apple said great things, even though we were supposed to think that Apple was getting crushed by Huawei. But when it comes to luxury goods, like at Estee Lauder, David, that's been a challenge position for my challenge. I figured I'd bring that out ahead of you saying that. But I would point out that
Challenge, that's one way to say that. If you didn't own it, you'd say something else, but yeah.
Well, Burberry Hobbs up only one, and down 10 in the Americans, Jim. That's raising some concerns about the market.
you go to Walmart, they're not selling a lot of Burberry, okay? They're selling things that look like Burberry. And I feel
One
great
more
about
chart
that.
to set up.
My Walmart plus 16%.
Your particular one.
My particular Walmart
Is that in the release?
No, it's
Literally
like
just Jim running up and down the aisles.
They know my Walmart. I think it's important to know your Walmart and how it's doing.
Meantime, busy day today. We got claims, of course, import-export prices now, industrial production. Let's get to Rick Santelli. Hey, Rick.
Yes, industrial production for the month of October expected to be down 0.4%, Carl. Comes in at down 0.6%, which means it's the lowest net negative month-over-month change of the year. You have to go back to December to find a bigger negative, and that was a big one at minus 1.54. And we do see a revision also a bit negative, taking our 0.3 for September down to only 0.1. On utilization, expecting 79.4, another big miss here. 78.9. You have to go back to October of 2021 to find a smaller number, 78.9. As a matter of fact, just to really put context, the last time we were at 80 or higher has been basically a year, November of last year. These normally fuel lower interest rates, as you see today, weaker data points. But do remember, we also have the other side of the equation in the form of debt, supply, and servicing that are also potentially a tug of war with interest rates. 10-year down 7 basis points on the section. Squawk on the street will return.
Good morning, good morning. Head and shoulder padding on the 30. Good morning. What it do, everyone? I am currently short on ES on the Forex side. Oh, let's go. I'm also short Euro USD. Let's go.
Let's turn to U.S. China a day after Presidents Biden and Xi met on the sidelines of that APEC summit in California. Our Eamon Javers was in the room with President Biden and Chinese President Xi during their dinner with the U.S. CEOs, Eamon, and a lot of discussion today about these standing ovations.
Yeah, that's right, Carl. This was not President Biden, just President Xi of China. I was in the room for this extraordinary evening last night as the leader of the Chinese Communist Party told a room full of many of the wealthiest.
I don't mind these little pop-ups. Actually pretty good for
to the United States, and he
the
drew a
continuation
standing ovation
down.
from the ballroom full of top American
Any
executives.
pop-up that
Some of the biggest
holds
names in finance were there, including billionaire BlackRock CEO
a lower high
billionaire
is
Blackstone
definitely
Steven Schwartzman, who
in
flanked
favor
Chinese
with
President
me.
Xi Jinping at the head table during the dinner last night. Also in the front of the room were Tim Cook of Apple and Albert Bourla of Pfizer, among many other American executives. Xi Jinping said that the United States and China have a responsibility to lead the world.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Beautiful.
friends,
Start making your way
we are in an
down.
era of challenges and changes. It is also an era of hope.
Something's up with
The
trade
world
over it.
needs
It's really
China and the
lagging.
United States to work together for a better future. We, the largest developing country, that is China, and the largest developed country, the United States, we must get along with each other.
Xi
And one
Jinping's
interesting note
talking.
there. Elon Musk was in the building during the dinner. He attended a VIP reception before the event in the room where Xi Jinping was expected to be. But the Tesla CEO left before dinner began and was not seated at the head table last night. Back over to you guys.
Eamon, you know, there has been some, I'd like to hear it from you, obviously being in the room, that there really wasn't much offered in the way, though, of concrete invitations, so to speak, to corporate America to come or invest or anything sort of offered that might make things a bit easier, was there?
Yeah, no, it was sort of a de-escalatory speech, you know, very diplomatic. You know, Xi Jinping talked about, you know, the Doolittle raids back in World War II,
Let's
the
go.
pandas, all kinds of things that the United States and China have in common.
Like
He also said that there are two
dive.
different systems of government and that the Chinese respect the American system of government. But he did not say specifically, to my recollection, you know, we want you CEOs to invest in China. He did say he wants Americans generally to travel to China. He wants a lot of back and forth. He wants students to come, that sort of thing. But this was just a fascinating moment. I mean, sort of this extraordinary scene where some of the top corporations in the world were gathering to honor Xi Jinping, and the list of names, I tweeted it out a short time ago, of the sponsors and attendees at this event. You know, it was pretty much an all-star list of American capitalism in the room last night.
Yeah, a lot of the page ones today, Eamon, talking about that establishment of military communications. We'll see what kind of benefits that pays off, if any, in the months and years to come. Eamon Javers, what a story this week out west. Take a look at the pre-market here. We've been through Walmart and Cisco and Palo Alto. Get to some of the other names that are making some news today. Futures close to the lows of the session, and yields also a little bit lower today as well. We'll get Kramer's Mad Dash as well in a minute.
I am on the minis. Dual stream this morning with Mr. Yeah Buddy. Word. Thank you. Thank you. Up a nice 15 pips on EU short. Let's go. Oh, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Let me call this young man.
There we go.
Oh, there we go. You're late there, buddy.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit late to the party, but we're good to go. Word up. How you doing, bro?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
Pretty good, bro. Pretty good. Can't complain. So, I got people.
All right. All right. Well, just a heads up. I'm currently in a short on ES from 45.16.
S&P laggards
I'm
with,
looking
uh,
for
reactions to the
a
earnings
break of
results.
4,500.
Palo Alto and Walmart leading for this today. We'll see
Go.
what kind of impact that has on the major names. We'll get to
Yes.
Williams-Sonoma
Excuse me.
and Sonos and Microsoft.
Yeah, buddy.
Intel today as well.
Sorry, it's
There we
Sally.
go. So, okay.
In less than 5 minutes, and don't forget, you can catch us anytime, anywhere. Just
Yeah.
listen to
Yep. So right now I'm short. I'm short ES. I'm short NQ. I'm short Euro USD. And I'm also short on YM. I'm really liking this for a downside movement. At the very least on ES, I think we can get down to 4,500 even and maybe even break that. I pray to the trading gods that we close below 4,500 today.
Right. That'd be sick for you, dude. Oh my goodness.
Bruh.
That also start the downtrend, wouldn't it? That also starts
Um,
a bit of a downtrend.
a little, not necessarily. But yeah, like I think a close below 4,500 on a psychological aspect would be very, very big. At least, you know, for us to unwind, at least maybe down to 44, 35. If we can get a close below, below 40, 44.40, then I would believe that that area would then start the downtrend. And even if we did bounce, as long as like every bounce we have stays below 4,500, I think we'll be good to see the unwind at least half of this movement that it's done in the last 2 weeks.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I mean, hopefully, right, bro? I mean, this thing has been going crazy recently. If you guys not taking a look, I mean, just go on your daily charts, guys. It is crazy right now, bro. I mean, I can't say anything different. Damn, my hair's wild, bro. Yeah, but yeah, dude. I mean, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna trade the charts per usual. You know, just because I don't know. I feel like it's hard to predict this market, man. I can't come in here and be like, yeah, I'm gonna take blah 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 or something. You know, come in like some people can, like yourself. You know, what I mean, you got it. But yeah, no, I just got to trade what I see, man. So hopefully the game plan is to the downside. Though I mean, we're up at 449 in only 3 days. We just need to move essentially. I feel like if we're gonna move to the top side, we're gonna be like 452 area. If we're gonna move to the downside, it's gonna happen. We're gonna go down to like 450. You know, 447, 446.
Yep.
So
So yeah, so we'll see.
yeah, buddy.
But we're looking good,
Yeah.
man.
So is that your only trade of the day?
So far, I mean, I'm in,
yeah.
I'm in NASDAQ, I'm in Dow Jones, and I'm in ES shorts and Euro USD. So I already took partial profits on Euro USD. So I took like the equivalence of a 15-cent movement on Euro USD. And usually whenever the market is coming down, Euro USD will come down because it's euro versus the dollar. So if the dollar is stronger, if the dollar is strong, the market will come down, right? So strong dollar is very bad for the market. So when the dollar is strong and the market's coming down, those that pair ends up coming down as well.
Oh, there we go. All right, we're up.
Yeah.
Okay, you know.
All right,
Here
here we go. Here we
Market opens
go.
coming in. Here it goes. So, guys, no trade to myself as of right this second. Hey, what's up, TC Life, Dark Trios?
Nice, nice.
Baby.
Come
No
on,
trade
let's
to
go,
myself as
let's
of this
go,
second.
let's
I still have
go.
Apple loaded up. I'm gonna watch S&P. Yes, guys, though I do have the option account loaded up. I will let you guys know if I take a trade. Okay, I was really thinking about RTY there. Oh my goodness, wow, you are Prince line too, bro.
Yeah, she dropping. I need ES to follow suit, man. ES is not following suit. It's almost back to my entry. So let's go. Dow with a little pop. So a little divergence here.
Yeah, right. Like up on 50. Sitting around. Here comes RTY back down, guys. Yeah, I'm just chilling out with most of them. I mean, yeah, wow. A little bit of a market open. Nothing too crazy. I can't say nothing crazy. Wow, look at that though. RTY with a nice spike coming all the way back down.
Let's see. Back on my entry on ES. Still popping.
Might have to I can't do it off market. I can't do it off. Guys, I was thinking about if it's gonna hold this two up in this 250 day. You know, on some of these big names, you know, NQ didn't get above yet. ES, maybe I'm taking some longs for a scalp, but
oh, nice rejection.
like oh, dude,
yes.
Damn, bro. I would. Oh my goodness.
Nice rejection.
Yeah, it's lean, bro. Right there it is. The downside coming in. I just want to see what's going on here. So these are single day. Okay, so what's the date? 16th. So maybe I'll do the 17th for a little bit less volatility. I'll do. We're gonna do all. Scroll down. Oh, 400 region. If I click on like set play here, like 440, 447, it'll come up here, guys. And I can buy it. I can sell it. Right there it is, guys. I can market order in it. I can buy as many, 10 of them, 20 of them, 30 of them, yada, et cetera, et cetera.
It's got tax benefits to it.
Yeah, 10 of them's not bad.
Not just the team.
Not at all.
Okay, I'm gonna keep my hands off it, guys. My hands are off it. My hands are fresh right now, man. I just have a couple trades. What is it? RTY at basically what is it? 200 off of that data. It wasn't as clean as I wanted. So. Oh.
He didn't really give a lot.
I'm closing half of my NQ short and I'm moving my stop loss to entry.
There we go.
There you go. She's sliding again. There we
I
go.
think you might get. We'll see here, man. That candle goes red. We'll see. We'll see.
She about to break. She about to break. Break.
Seeing that, I'm like, wait.
Come on. I need her to break.
Like right there, bro. I think you got it. I mean,
Yeah. She's looking good. She's looking good. I just need her to take out these lows. NQ takes out the morning's low. So the morning's low is 15.822. Damn, what a 30 again. So close.
Right there. That would be. Oh my goodness, those plays. That always sucks because they look so clean, bro. They look so clean, dude. It's like when they hit. Okay, chilling out. Yeah, I don't think. Oh yeah, let me check out some of these boosts. Wow, there goes Apple. Above my point there of 190. 190 broke. The top side coming right back down off it though. That 240 point still holding on Tesla, guys. Nvidia, I kind of want to see below like 43 areas. Amazon with a nice sell-off. And I did have a point on it actually. That would have been super freaking cool. Oh my goodness. I might take Apple on a small position above that 190, guys. So it wants to push back above. I don't know how the contract really moves. That's my mistake. options.
And they're gonna test us this morning. Mm.
Which the president said
It was not done as part of the
Stop loss on NQs at break even, so I might get stopped out, but at least I took some profits.
Right, that's good enough. 3-1.
Yeah, I don't know, man. It's like they can't just go right through, man. Just go right through, man. Cut the games. Like it's gonna come down. It's gonna come down.
Right.
So much so, you know, I'm gonna
Friday
do.
expiration? The 17th. It's not the 17th. The 16th, correct? Just making sure. Alright. You gotta look. What would I do on these guys? I would probably take these quick $100 contracts. Probably take about 3 of them. They get a tiny position, looking for a decent size move, I guess, on that. So give me 1 second. Over here. Got a trade thing.
There we go. Come on.
So not in this yet. Gonna mark it order in. It'd be about 3 contracts to the top side on the go price. Look at order sticker apple here. Waiting to watch, see what it does. Above 190, I like it. Holding the view up is kind of the point I'm looking at. I just want to see a sell off through view up. Make it feel, you know. I'd have to see a play I really like. I might even wait just in general, just to see if something else is going to set up. As most of these tickers are coming down, I don't feel the need to go long right now. A lot of these are coming down. You know, sitting right at 190, guys, I don't know how much I really like that play. I have like no lights on, I'm like a ghost. Oh, hopefully that helps you guys out. It's pretty face over here. All right, Tesla coming right back down, guys. Wow.
There we go. Yeah,
Tesla.
Tesla, you could probably look to see Tesla at maybe 233, 230. I like it for 230 for a movement down to 230, 79 area. So let's just round it off and just say 231. Yeah, I like that. I like that.
I mean, I'm taking a look at it right now, and if it doesn't hold up here, yeah, I think it can go. I think it can really go to the downside. I might wait for a better entry on all of these positions. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. As much as Tesla looks clean, guys, yeah, I'm gonna have to wait. The Apple looks nice too above its little trend line here. I feel like it's just too early to be hitting these options up.
Come on.
I guess there is no such thing as too early. But for my trading style, I feel like the mid to too early. And I want to focus a little bit. Look at RTY, man. RTY with the punching, bro. Punching into the downside. You know, NQ still playing a little bit of games, but still hanging around. Yeah, baby took the, what is it? The 15.822 bounce on NQ, got in hair above that, had some drawing down about 100, then it flipped, bounced, and I placed my stop loss, kept it moving up, took a nice little 260, one end. Yeah, buddy. There you go, friend. There you go, buddy. He's got it in. He's got the game plan going, man. That's what he's doing. So, yep, guys, I'm not against it here above this little trend line I have placed here. I was really, I think my only thing I'm thinking about here on NQ is above. I would go NQ, like setting up on one contract there. Same thing as I've been doing in RTY, so it would be above this 5,200 VWAP area, and it would have to be like,
Oh, yeah.
it has to be quick.
Yeah, they are literally playing.
Right. And straight games, bro.
No.
Yeah. So that's it, and I would place my stop loss right back under. So my stop loss would be at the price, basically 50. If I'm getting it above 50, it'd be at 50. So I'm gonna be looking for a larger move. As holding above, pushing back up. First candle to end above that 5,200 VWAP area. If it can hold, I will get in on one contract to the top side. Nope, I'm right back down. No entry for myself right this second. No entry for myself. Got overall on 2 loaded up. No entry for myself, man. You guys could get shorts here though on the other end, on the opposite end. You guys get shorts here if it breaks above, then you can get out. Alright. So. Tight stops, guys. Tight stops is what you want. You just want super tight stops. I don't know how bearish this is. It would have to come down. I can't say anything. It's too early still. It's still too early. Still too early for me to be like, oh, this looks foolish. Bearish. In what? Not even 10 minutes. What time is it? 39. It's been like 6 minutes. Yeah. So I am not in a position to be like, oh, this looks like this.
I mean, it's not even. If it was poly, it'd be fine, but it's one of those. It's like.
I can say Amazon though. Wait, Amazon hit the exact same as Patty. Apple kind of still chopping around this area, man. Cannot say anything about it. Apple chop, baby. Right around 190, guys. So you guys gotta be cautious there. But yeah, buddy, you guys are chilling out, man. Hopefully, you guys are green on the day too. You've been trading. If you guys haven't taken a trade, it's okay. It's okay. Still wait. So I'm just gonna place this in here on NQ. It's like a little. Triangle pattern, but it broke out to the top side already. But that.
Literally 10 minutes in the same spot.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
Like, that thing is.
it's a battle right now, but once ES breaks below the lows of the day, bruh.
Wraps.
Yeah, it's a wrap. Gonna see a nice dump.
Yeah, dude, I'm about it. Dude. I mean, I'm like I said, man. I'm not biased either way. I would not mind a dump. That's still not looking bad for. See, that could be. See, I can't. I just can't stand it. Because I'm like, oh, it looks good for a dump. Next thing you know, it is a dump. That'd be great. That's awesome. Catch like 20%. Then it's not a dump, and then you know, shit out of luck.
When it was $400 billion, you go on that 25 years.
Sometimes you never get back. Sometimes it just doesn't happen for you. I don't know if we have a chart there.
You mean like the Jets?
Look at that. Remember the .com?
Oh, I want to see Nvidia below 42, by the way, guys.
First $1 trillion company? No.
But yeah, there's just
That was slowly inching back up.
I got Nvidia loaded up 42, guys. That's what I'll look for. Below 42, guys. Oh, wow. And that's a trend line here, guys. From flea market holding it up right now. I would love to see that maybe get respected here and then fall back off after that.
You're as sharp as the day you were a kid.
Wow, Nvidia contract. Oh my god.
JDSU was just don't sell us, and then it became with JDSU, and then it became just don't sue us. With the beret.
With the beret, they did the SDLI deal. It's like a $30 billion all-stock
Who's
transaction.
Apple?
Unbelievable. Copper mask.
Sorry, guys. Like I said, that leak starts. Not gonna lie to you guys in there. Hover over the spark. Okay. Cool. Pull this up over here. I don't know why I keep smoking. Look at that Nvidia bouncing. That's what I'd love to see, guys. I'll be looking for like the $90 contracts. We'll say about like.
Brazil order didn't make it, but it's like the biggest miss of the run. Could that really just be Brazil?
16 cents per sheet.
I wasn't going to mention his name. Yeah, they go bring it up.
We're going down this.
It's a rather
the most widely held stock.
everyone.
Let's see.
Let's see. They just did a big
Oh, there's Apple, guys. Apple taking off. Oh, my bad. Apple taking off, guys. Rob, right there it is. Like I said, above 190. Oh, damn, dude, that was a nice play. You could still get entered in there. I just don't want it to be the same thing as yesterday with Tesla. How I got in on Tesla. Guys, really thinking about this order here. Whoa, those are calls. I'm just got filled with calls, guys. That was almost risky. Whoa, that was a fat thing earlier.
Okay, because right now Microsoft is teamed up with Oracle because they don't have enough NVIDIA chips. Sure, everybody has an NVIDIA now. Everybody. Well, show me the money.
There it goes. Okay. I like that it's respecting its auto trend line right there, guys. If it keeps respecting that, pushes back up, I'll be way more okay with that. And it did which is kind of sad. So like I like that it's respecting its auto trend line. There it goes. They're all getting the pop now. Look at guys. Look at Apple. Look at Apple, guys. Oh baby, guys. I should have taken it. Oh man. I mean that's they always.
Apple and Microsoft are really the only one. No, Microsoft and AMD are the only ones positive on the day so far.
right?
Such
And
a
yeah,
mix.
the rest of them are coming down. I mean, overall in Q here, getting a little bit of a spike, but I feel like it's paid off. I'm just looking at Apple just flipped from it was above my, so I had a point at 190, and it was hovering right around there with consolidation, and I should have gotten in by just adjusting this up. I think right there is the highs, right here's the lows, right there. Basically, just it's a simple pattern, that triangle, a semi-triangle pattern. Super simple. That is it. You guys took that. You guys sprinted, bro. Oh, there we go. Okay, hold up.
What's your game plan?
I just got it on NQ here. My stop loss is going to be about 18, 15, 18. On long.
You're in longs right
Really
now?
quick, really quick. Yeah, really quick. Just a quick long position. Wow, nice spike there. Just
Yeah.
gonna ride this thing.
Got
I'll ride this
stopped out.
bad boy to the sky if it wants to rip and run. Woo! Oh, man. Now, do I think it's gonna hold forever? I think we're gonna. It's just. I think it's just moving with the S&P 500 right now. Yeah. So it came right up. Look at that. Nice. Wow. I do have my stop already placed. I do have my stop already placed. Stop in place. I don't want to see a massive rip and run. I would like to see that nice setting climb for the next. Wow, NQ doing its own thing there, guys. Wow, NQ doing its own thing 110%.
It's definitely the lagger today. So far, the one that's looking the strongest is the Dow, and obviously with Apple and how it's performing. But yeah, the second strongest is ES, and then NAS is definitely the lagger today.
Right, okay. So, what's your thought process there?
Right now it's looking like the Dow may actually go for yesterday's highs. So if the Dow takes out yesterday's highs and then ES and Nasdaq doesn't, that could be an indication of okay, momentum shifting. Because right now I'm still seeing divergence where the Dow is pushing, Nasdaq is not really doing anything. ES is picking up a little bit, but it's still below the morning's highs, where the Dow is literally right at the morning's highs or today's highs so far. Actually, no, it broke out. No, correction. The Dow Jones has actually made a new high on the day, so it's broken the morning's high. So for those of you guys looking at my chart, the morning's high was 35,076, and the Dow just took that out by 6 points. So now if it's still remaining under yesterday's high, so as any pops, as long as we remain under yesterday's highs, we should be good for a potential short or maybe an unwind later in the day. But let's see what happens, because right now there is, this whole news floating around Xi Jinping and U.S. president at some conference or talking or whatever. So let's see, if all these pops are a little liquidity grab for a drop later on.
Right later on in the day. I get what you're saying. Yep. There we go.
Yeah,
There you go, guys. So. Nice. Yeah, can't complain about that, guys. Yeah, I mean, maybe so too as well. I mean, yeah, I mean, being up this high, I mean, I do think 449, 450 areas will not be forever. You know what I mean? So like, we were literally talking about that yesterday, right?
Yep.
Like this entire movie is just crazy right now, guys. So took another 100 on NQ. Yeah, buddy. Good stuff. Good stuff there, Darth Trader. Yeah, bro. Like, I don't think that this move is gonna hold up forever. I mean, like we were saying yesterday, guys. Me and Caesar were talking. Yeah, I mean, it's wild to see this move right now. Like $9 or something in the last how long? You know what I mean? Not $9. Excuse me. Like $20 or something in the last how long? Right? Like crazy.
Mm-hmm.
So just got out there on NQ. Basically put me in the green on the day, so I'm up $73 now. So. Nothing crazy, but I just went from red to green. I'm on dead. Nothing crazy there. And I'm still waiting and watching right now. NVIDIA, guys. NVIDIA, probably the only options play I'm now looking at, guys. Take a look at NVIDIA, guys, on your charts. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, 5 touches of this trend line, all the way down to 42. I think you can ride it into the 42 break. I'm listen, guys. You guys can go a little bit heavier if you want. I know how volatile Nvidia contracts are. I'm probably gonna take about 4 of them. So you don't want to be crazy with them. You don't want to be crazy with them. So like, if you're gonna take up 10 of them, know that if you're taking, especially if you're taking next day expiration contracts with me, yeah, man, it's gonna be volatile, man. So you gotta be careful. But that's also in the good way too, bro. That thing goes down to, what is that? What are we looking at? 482 off 43, you're in. Bro, you could make it upwards of like, 20% just off that little, well, a dollar move, you'd probably make 50. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, guys. Like, they are super volatile for some reason. Yeah. Too slowly, yeah, buddy. Oh, baby, getting it in, baby. Getting it in, baby. Putting the work in, guys. Putting the work in. Love it, love it, love it. We all are, man. So yeah, bro, and I see that. So I'm seeing a double. Do you see that now too? See the double top for pre-market from 9 a.m. on NQ, ES, S&P.
On S&P pre-market. Hold on, let me.
Yeah. Well, yep.
Let me take a look. Yeah, on S&P pre-market, yeah, double top. Yep, I see a double top. On NQ, pretty much, yeah, same thing. Yeah, I see that. But yeah, I'm seeing that, and also just the sideways movement that it's been doing. So like, it's literally been in this range between 15,887 and 15,826. So either we break above and continue pushing, or we break down and go lower. So right now it's just been pretty much in a consolidation.
Right. There we go. So yeah, taking a look at RTY here, guys. I might take a position on this. A little bit of a quad bottom right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches of it. I'm either thinking long or short here, guys. Okay. Yeah. It's like, yes, guys. All right. If this doesn't break here, I want it to kind of wick and then fill me out. If this does break, I'm thinking shorts. But the way the market's moving right now, it's kind of hard for me to get it filled on a short position. But RTY is a different ball game, baby. RTY is a different ball game. Oh my goodness, I wish I would have got filled out, guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. I mean, is it bad to touch it here? I don't know if it's bad to touch it. I feel like it is. Let's see, man. If any downside momentum comes, man, that was a quad break, guys, to the downside, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to come all the way back down to the low here. Want to see what it can do here, guys. Want to see what it can do here, guys. Oh, whoa. What it can do here, guys. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. To the downside, ripping and running, ladies and gentlemen. Ripping and running. Want to see those lows now hold up. Want to see these lows now hold up and continue to rip and run to the downside here on RTY. Want to see the lows hold up? Let's see it.
Yeah.
Oh, we need to stop this first. Right above that candle. There it goes, guys. Coming right back down. Love it. I wish I had a percent on these. I wish I had a percent. That'd be awesome if they gave me like a percent thing instead of like. How's the video holding? Video coming down as well. Okay. We're gonna wait for the news to drop. What news at 10 a.m. Home builder confidence. Fed Governor what is it? Christopher Wallace speaks. Nice. Okay.
Yep, there's a
Would love to see these
few.
lows hold up here, guys. Yeah. Love to see these lows hold up here.
Yep.
They're holding. They are out. They are. Yeah. They're wow. They're wild.
Come on. Let's see, when does Weller speak? ES is breaking above the morning's highs. Fed Weller speaks in 35 minutes, and then in 40 minutes, Fed Bar speaks. Weller, usually when he comes on, he says something that like that's gonna drop. So let's see. Come on, preparation 35 minutes. 35 minutes can't come fast enough.
Caesar, if you just want to take a look at RTY for me, then.
Mm-hmm. RTY. All right.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, wow. This looks nice. Damn.
Yeah.
Why?
I'm in on this right now to the downside.
This looks really good. Like this is annoying. How is so the Russell 2000 is dropping.
I had to get out. 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 It's just because I don't want that to spike right back up on me, doing the opposite. But guys, I wish I was in on more. Oh my goodness, guys!
Disrespect
Wow,
is
dude. I literally
this?
just watched my jaws drop as you speaking, bro. I'm sorry. My
Nah, go
jaws
ahead.
just went-
Nah, this looks good. RTY looks for a good for like 1770 target.
1770. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, like, and this is, I mean, it could really realistically keep going here. I mean, I should have, what I really should have done is adjusted my stop. I don't know why I took it. I should have adjusted my stop here. And I might actually.
So that they have a terrific on-prem and website, and I just think their stuff looks really good. Their Halloween stuff is killer.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have high, next week we're gonna get Best Buy, A&F, Lowe's, Kohl's.
Wow, guys. Right to the downside again, dude. Let
Still
it rock
going.
out, dude. And this is what we do, guys. I mean, this is how you should trade it. What you should do is adjust your stop. So continue to adjust your stop here. RTY broke a quad bottom on the downside, guys. Now selling off a lot now, ladies and gentlemen, due to the fact that it did break that quad bottom on the downside, the short side. Excuse me. Yeah, I mean, realistically, man, it is wow. I mean, it's just going. So, got stop place and everything, but gonna let it rock out until then, guys. Gonna let it rock out. I mean, that these, you gotta stop the place with these though. Size comes with time, bro. I had to step back myself. Right, I've been stepping back on size, bro. I mean, I'm trading one RT contract, one NQ contract. Because once again, this is a 50K, and I'm not looking to. I know speed is not the game. I don't need to pass this. I mean, get funded. I mean, excuse not get funded. Get a payout in the next 10 days, bro. I don't need that. You know what I mean? Like, I'm cool with slowly building it up. You know what I mean? Quick 500 here, quick 300 there, quick 700 there. You know what I mean? And it's slowly.
Okay, all right, good short.
I don't need the payout.
I'm waiting.
It's like. So yeah, like that's Yeah, and Caesar, yeah, we were talking about that yesterday too. Yeah, I don't need it super quick. If I needed it super quick, I could grab 10 accounts, bro, and somehow, go long and short on like RTY, full port both of them, and then pay the activation fee for the other 5 accounts, and then full
You'd
port
have
both
to
of
do
those
that on
accounts too,
different.
bro.
You'd have to do that on different names. So like you would have to get like 5 under you and then like 5 under someone else, because if you do 5 and if you do like 10 and you do it like a over leverage long on one side and an over leverage short on the other side, like they're hip to that, so you would not get funded. So you would, yeah, so you would be wasting your money. Yeah, like it's called, like, you're basically trying to implement a boxing strategy. And for you to do that, like for you to do that with a funding firm, like you would need 2 different names. So like I said, one under you and then like maybe one under a sibling or a parent or a spouse. Because if you do them all under you and you do that, yeah, you're just gonna waste your money.
Yeah, because they'll be like, hey, buddy, yeah, we see what you did there.
Yeah, they don't allow that.
They know what's up.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And that's honestly, that's smarter than that. I mean, I know I would too, bro.
You gotta protect yourself, man.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, yeah, I know, yeah, 100%. Especially like, I'm sure you guys, even in the forex firm, I'm sure there's something against that, right?
Yeah, like so like everything's tracked. Everything's tracked, and like within the system, like if the same person buys an account and then like they do, full margin on one side and full margin to the opposite side on the second account, yeah, that's violation. And they'll basically be blocked, and they'll take the L on what they paid for the evaluation. So
right? Is that because of is that the consistency rule putting into play basically?
no, it's not consistent.
Or is it?
No, it's not. It's not consistency. It's basically it's you having multiple accounts with the same firm, and let's say okay, you're trading the Russell 2000 RTY. You take a long on one account, full margin, and then you take a short on the other account, full margin, right? You're basically boxing. You're boxing, which it's not allowed. So if you were to do that, you would lose all accounts. And the thing and that's not really a good strategy because then it's like okay, once you get funded, what do you do then? You know what I mean? Like once you get funded, it's like okay, so that means you're inevitably you're gonna lose the account because you don't have no real structure, you don't have no real strategy, discipline, position sizing, risk management. So if you don't have none of that, it's like you know what I mean? There's no longevity. And if you're really trying to have this be a long-term thing, like you have to be meticulous about how you approach the market, how you approach the trades, when you enter, when to exit. And sometimes, the conditions are just not there for you.
Yeah, 100%. And that's a big thing too. You don't always need to trade. I mean, there's a lot of traders that don't trade certain days. A lot of traders that don't even trade like Fridays every week. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's like, the boxing, that's something. I've done that with I think with a couple different things. Like I'll take a strat on like one, but it'll help me with another one. So like I'm not like when I pull for it, I would do like 3 minis. I mean, like 3 ES minis on either side, and then it doesn't make me. The game plan is first to make me pass the account, but I've never been able to pass an account with it. It always just gives me that extra like 2K boost to not only have to make 1K to pass, and then you know what I mean. So it's like. But no, definitely if I was a prop firm owner, I would definitely have some, like you guys, man. I would definitely be like, yeah, man, guys, I don't want to tell you, man, just don't do that. It's like, I don't, and the thing is, too, imagine them looking over your account being like, yeah, we're going to give you a funded account. You seem to have passed really quick, and they see that you did that. Imagine, bro, they're going to be like, okay, this guy's a joke, you know what I mean? Like, any prop firm or any, like, big hedge fund name is going to be like, hey, like, also, think about that, bro. Do you think any, like, large trading floors are looking for anyone? Like, could you walk into a large trading floor with, like, 5 years of back testing, like, 5 years of your, like, brokerage statement, and, like, hand it to them, and you think that, like, if you're, like, racking in, like, an 80%, like, consistency rate, do you think they'd hire you?
Oh, yeah.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, 100%. Bro, I mean, there's, like, that's becoming, like, that area, it's becoming more and more popular where some prop firms like they're actually partnering up with proprietary trading companies, and a proprietary trading company essentially think of it as like a hedge fund, right? Or a company that has excess amount of capital and they're looking to have traders trade that capital for them. And if if you're trading on a prop firm and you're able to consistently make 5, 10, 20, 30% month in, month out, right? The prop firm allows you to scale up your account into a larger size. And then if you continue with the same with that same process for a period of time, let's say 6 months, a year, then you're able to actually go to one of these proprietary firms and actually trade where like you get a salary plus commission and this and the third, and now you're trading a much larger capital without the restrictions. So like on every prop firm there's a daily limit, right? There's a daily limit. Like most industry standard is 5%. You cannot exceed 5% of the account in drawdown in a single day, right? So as long as you don't do that, you're good. But when you go in, when you go to these firms, you're able to trade, and now you no longer have that 5% daily drawdown, right? Because like through the years or however long you were trading and how long you were with the prop firm, you showed consistency and always being able to make money. And yeah, like it's really really good. It's crazy because I know like one of the prop firms that I use, FTMO, they recently either acquired or partnered up with a proprietary prop firm where you can scale up to like 1.1 million in funding, and then if you continue to perform well, like they'll actually try to move you over to the proprietary prop firm, and they're even offering like relocation fees and all sorts of things, which is pretty dope.
Yeah, it's actually that's really cool. Then, so I mean, let's say you're only trading. Well, I mean, either way that does work because you're still trading your accounts on even once you just got funded.
Yeah, so you could still
Or
be trading. Yeah, you could still be trading that, or let's say you completely leave that alone and you go and trade with with a bigger account. So let's say for example, like let's say a proprietary firm, like let's say they give you 100 million or even 10 million. Let's say you have a $10 million account that you can trade and you have no daily drawdown. You repeat the same process. You get, you know what I'm saying, you get a much larger payout because obviously, you trade that you making, 10% of a mil, or even let's say you're making 10% of 500K. You're only making what, 50K, was that 50K a month
yeah,
type of deal, right? Now you go and and let's say you're doing 10% of 10 mil, right? That payout is going to be much bigger than if you were to get if you were to be doing a 500K, because if you do 10% on 10 mil, that's what, that's a million, right? And let's say out of that you keep half. So maybe you go from making 50K a month to making half a million a month.
yep, just off. Okay, I see what you're saying. Right. So then they upgrade your funds base. So it's giving you more.
Yeah,
Funds,
they're
right?
giving you more funds to trade and stuff like that. You're getting better executions. You're actually going through the same liquidity providers as like hedge funds. Like you're getting higher executions. You're getting better execution rates and speed. And you also get like someone that you could probably like talk to, like for like the mental aspect of things and stuff like that. You just start climbing the ladder of being able to be around more individuals of a higher net worth, right? And the higher you climb and the higher you're able to get up there, the more potential income and even businesses opportunities, or even opportunities overall, that are going to present itself.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and that is true. Yeah, because if somebody likes you, your trading style, or just likes you in general. I mean, they
Mm-hmm.
might want you. You know what I mean? You meet someone, they're like, "Hey, man, I think you're a cool guy. Would you want to, join my business or something?" And
Yeah.
maybe it's something that doesn't take 24/7 to do. You're like, "Sure, why not, dude? Why not? Let's do it. Let's run it." All just because you were good on a prop firm, you got moved over to another location, charging more money. And
Mm-hmm.
imagine you get a promotion though. Now from $1 million to 10 million, from 10 million to 100 million.
Yeah.
That'd be
I
crazy.
mean, if you get to the point where you're trading $100 million account, bro. I mean, you're looking at 10 million. You're looking at 10 million in revenue, right? So, even if you're doing that a year, bro, even like you're making 10 mil a year, like that's something right there, like that right there, bro. Whew. Let me tell you,
That'll Yeah, that'll do it. That'll do it for me. Yeah, I think 10 million a month. I'll basically do about anything I want.
bro.
All right, 10
There's,
million a year too. Anything. I'll be good to go.
So yeah.
Looking at like, bro, I think I have the number set, bro. If I make like 30K a month, I think I'd be satisfied with my life. Everything.
I'm short. I just entered short on ES 45.20. I was debating on
Yeah, I'm
taking.
holding out R2I.
Let me see, where's RTY? RTY is looking good. What I tell you, 1770's coming, bro. It's at
Yeah, bro.
1785.
Dude, it's so nice. I love it. It's so.
I mean, it's moving pretty nice, man. I'm loving the fact that it was down while the market was like, while ES and Nasdaq and Dow was over here playing around, pushing.
Right, bro.
Yeah.
And once again, shout out to Brando, bro, because he was the one that first was like, "Yo, man, you gotta check on R2Y. It's super clean movement." I'm like, maybe one day. Maybe because I was so stuck up on NQ. Yeah, I was so stuck up on I only trade these. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Like being like, oh, I only trade this, I only trade that. It's like, dude, it's like, I feel like one of those girls that one of those like little sucky, girls that oh, I only drink like oh, I only drink out of the sparkling water glass and it's everything else or like Starbucks coffee, you know. But it's like, yeah, I could trade anything. All right, I'm not gonna drink any water out there. That's not true at all. Actually, it's kind of unhealthy. There's a reason. Besides that, yeah. But you guys get that little point I was making there. That was bad. What am I thinking? What's the word? Parable? Parable? Is that a parable? That's what I'm thinking of.
Terrible, something along those lines.
That wasn't a story, was it? That was like me just quoting something. Anyways, that makes sense. You guys get my
They know what you mean. But yeah, bro.
Yeah, they know. You guys like why do you guys?
But yeah, man. But these prop firms, bro, and these proprietary stuff, it's a game changer, man. I mean, especially with like you no longer need an Ivy League education to essentially make money in the market, right? Like you don't. Like
Oh, what's up?
I said,
Oh,
you do
don't need
not
Ivy League, right.
you do not need an Ivy League education to make money in the market.
Right. Right. Don't become part of it for
Nah, you ain't gotta go to Harvard, Yale, Duke, any of these, like none of these, right? So so yeah, man. So like that's the beautiful part about this, and with these firms and stuff like that, like it literally just comes down. It's like, yo, I don't care where you went to school, where you didn't go to school. It's like I just care about one thing, which is the bottom line. Can you make money or not? Can you be consistent or not? Like that's it. If you fit those criteria, bro, like you could be tattooed, like gauges all over your body, like split nose, split tongue and shit, like and you would be able to get hired and make money. You know?
And that's the thing, bro. And that's how I feel like it really should go. And a lot of them, the thing is, a lot of them don't care. It's like, hey, man, like I will say this: if you do go to school for trading or whatnot, it does give you the edge that when you go, and you go to a trading floor, obviously, you have educational experience, so that you don't have to throw away, thousands of dollars or whatnot, or years of experience. Like I feel like when traders, and this is how I feel like when you're going through that stage of like just learning and learning and learning, you're looking up all these videos, you're looking up which one should I do, like how should I trade and everything. I feel like that aids your time. You know what I mean? Like every trader goes through it. I feel like I can confidently say that every trader goes through it, where they don't know which market to get into, and they're googling, they're looking up, watching YouTube, looking for mentors, doing all that stuff. You know what I mean? And that's like our college, because we're not spending hundreds of thousands of dollars at Ivy League schools to go in business and do all this stuff. You know what I mean? But we are spending our time. We're spending our time just like any college student does. Surely we're not. It's our schooling, man. And through trial and error is when it depends on when you're schooling. Some people school into a year in. Some people are done. They're ready to hit the battlefield. They're ready to trade stocks a year in, right? They're doing good. They're profitable in paper trading. Some it takes 2. Some it takes 3. Some it takes, some it takes a month. Who knows? You know what I'm saying? But I think I don't know if there's any trader in here. I don't know how you've been, Caesar, but I don't know a trader in here that I've ever met yet that has just started trading stocks and instantly is profitable. I don't think I've ever met a trader that didn't go to school for it. And was just like that. You know what I mean?
True, bro. I mean, everything I know about the markets and everything like that. I mean, I learned outside. Outside of school. Like I was going to college for business management. I took accounting. But to be honest, bro, like once I learned accounting, I was just like, yo, like I'm good. Like I'm gonna pursue the entrepreneurial stuff, only because like the state that I live in is like it was like the number one corrupted state in the US, as far as like with people stealing money from small businesses and stuff like that, because most small businesses, they rely on the CPA to do everything for them. They give them access to the banks, and I'm just like, yo, I'll be damned if somebody's gonna finesse me out of some money. So I learned accounting, and then once I learned accounting, I was just like, yeah, I'm good. I don't need this anymore. So I dropped out, and I have a better understanding of the market fundamentals, macroeconomics, geopolitics, better than people that have gone to school, or even people that like have undergone the process of like learning and taking the securities licenses. Like I used to have people stress me like, yo, you should go get your securities license. I'm like, I was like, yeah, I don't know, I'll think about it. And then one time in Florida, I was at a networking event. And I met some people that worked for a broker, right? And and they're like, yeah, oh, I just got there. They're like mad excited, like, yeah, I just got my Series 7, da da da. And at this time, you didn't have to take a SIE. So in the last couple of years, they changed it to where, like, before you can go for your Security 7 license, you have to take an SIE, which is like a prerequisite to the Security 7, right? So
Really? Okay.
yeah, so they changed it up. So but at that time, I mean, this was like what 2015, 2016, when I was living in Florida. And so I met the dudes, and we're talking, and they're like, yeah, they're mad excited, like, yeah, I just got my Security 7 license, da da da. I was like, oh, word, dope. I was like, oh, so then I started talking charting to them, right? And I'm talking about, like,
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, have you looked at this chart, da da da, the market, whatever, this breakdown and whatever. And they're looking at me like I got three heads. And then I
No
was
way,
like,
bro.
bro, I swear to you, they looked at me like I had three heads on. And then I look at them, I'm like, you don't know what I'm talking about? They're like, nah. So then I pull out my phone and I open up Think or Swim, and I'm just like, I was like, yo, I was like, this, I was like, you see this? I was like, oh, they're like, nah. They're like, yo, we don't know about that. I'm like, how do you not know about that? They're like, nah, like we can just accept like people's orders. So I said something that like was, I guess, like they took offense to it. So I'm like, so you're basically overpaid waitress, right? Because it's like
No
all
way.
anyone that has a Security Sevens license, all so when you call into a broker, if someone that answers the phone is not doesn't have a securities a Series 7, when that, like, so let's say I have a broker, right? You call in, and I pick up. I'm not licensed, and I'm like, oh, hey Jordan, what's up? And you're like, oh, I want to buy 100 shares of Apple at 189, right? I'm like, oh, I'm gonna have to transfer you over to the trade desk to do that. If I was Security 7 certified, I would be able to place that for you. So it's just, yeah, bro. Like, so yeah, I was just like, dude, I was like, yeah. So
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 what?
so
So basically they're just like, hey, you want to place that trade? Oh, that's great, because they're getting commission. They're just getting commission off of it.
when
Like
they
they're making however much.
depending like where they're placed in the brokerage, yeah, but basically a security, anyone that holds a Security 7, like they're just able to take orders and place orders for you. But then like you have the 60, then you have the 63, right? So there are other licenses that you get in order to be like a financial advisor. So every financial advisor, like, they had to get their Security 7, then they had to get their 60, which then they're licensed in like all 52 states. Then you get like the 63. So like even if you wanted to have a hedge fund, if you were to start a hedge fund, like someone usually the manager of that hedge fund or has to have these licenses.
Okay. So so like, let's say later in life, I don't know, dude, I fuck around and start a head, I mean, screw around and start a hedge fund. What is it? I would need to then, can I take those tests without ever going to school?
Yes, you can, but those tests, it's expensive, bro. Like to take your securities license test, like it becomes it's expensive. So usually the best way for you to get it is like you get a job at a financial institution, and then they sponsor you. Like you can't just go, oh, yo, I'm just by myself, I'm just gonna go get this license. Like, no, like you have to be sponsored by a financial institution. So without the sponsorship of a financial institution, you can't even go for it. Like you can't just show up like, oh, hey, I've studied now and I want to take the SIE and then the Security 7. Yeah, you have to be sponsored by a financial institution. And then let's say you're currently working at a financial institution and you get your licenses and then you leave. When you leave, you have 2 years to like go to another financial institution or start one your own. Like if you start your
So
own,
you have to do something.
yeah, you have to, like, you literally have 24 months to either go work for another institution or start your own. And then if you do that, then you can keep your licenses. But if the 24 months time comes up and you haven't done neither, you lose it, and then you would have to redo the whole process again, which is tedious
Really?
as
Why is that? Why do they do that? they can't give it to you, and then maybe like every 5 years you gotta renew it or something. Like,
Nah,
that's
bro.
so tedious.
Nah, bro.
It's
Nah,
because
bro.
you're able-
Bro. we talking about the United States of America, bro. It ain't shit. It ain't easy, bro. It's like, nah, bro. It's like once certain things is done, yeah. Once certain things is done, it's like, nah, bruv. Yeah. Ooh, beautiful. Oh, this ES short is looking saucy. Let's go. Yes.
I just heard.
Ooh, go baby. Who's still short NQ? I hope you guys are still short on NQ.
Oh yeah, buddy, I'm still short on. What is that? I'm still short on RTY.
RTY 78. Oh man, I'm about to be like, yo, lunch on you, bro. Lunch on you. Yo, anyone that asks me to take a look at a chart for them, yo, I want lunch.
Yeah,
I want
got you, man.
lunch.
We're running it, buddy. Dude,
Bruh.
I just heard the word stop. Oh my, wow, bro. Just let it rock. Just let it rock. Let it rock.
Awesome. Get it.
Oh. Yeah, buddy. This thing
Get
is
it.
going crazy. I love it, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, I mean, I've just been sitting in it, and, yeah, we've been talking, but, like, that whole process is so crazy to me, though. Like, before, actually, after high school, I was thinking, while I was becoming a trader, I was like, man, well, why do I do this? I was going to actually I was thinking about joining a firm up in Canada, which is actually crazy, right? So they traded U.S. stocks, but they were Canadian bound. And, you know, this was when I first started trading or whatnot. And I was like, oh, dude, yeah, bro, they're looking for trading people. Like, this is great. I'm new. I was low-key just going to, like, throw my resume at them, but it was going to be, like, kind of half-cooked or whatnot. Like, I was going to be like, oh, yeah, I got, like, a couple months or a couple years of trading experience. I'm fresh mind. Like, I'm ready to learn, basically. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
See how it went. But, you know, obviously, they're not looking for people that aren't experienced. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's how that basically went. And I mean, I guess I'm kind of glad. Like, imagine me right now, bro, being on some trading floor in, like, Canada. But, okay, that's not the best. That's not the worst, you know, thing in the world. I can't. It's like,
Yeah.
that bad. Right.
Nah, that wouldn't be bad, but Canada has high taxes. They have really high taxes.
I would have to move to Toronto. You know, pack up everything, move out there, 'cause that's where they're based at. Like,
Yeah,
I mean, it's
Toronto's beautiful, bro. I gotta say, Toronto's very beautiful, very clean. The people are generally friendly, but just the taxes out there, bro. The taxes out there is disrespectful.
Right. Wait, so I'm confused on what just happened. What just happened? Wait, I'm so confused. Okay. Am I in? Wait. Oh no. I think it's okay. Yup. Damn it, bro.
What?
Fuck. Fucking NQ, dude. I accidentally took. Damn, that sucks, bro. I'm up on the day. That's what it was. I heard the word stop code, and I'm like, what does that mean? And then I look over, and I'm in an NQ short, bro. Okay, let it come down. If I get break even, I'm literally placing a stop.
That's good.
Break even. Right. Well, it's not bad. It's not terrible. Yeah. But I got filled at a dumb spot. It was where my stop loss was to get out of the play. But now, yeah, that's okay. I can't play. As long as it's coming right back in.
Come on, fade for us.
Okay, so my stop just got filled here on RTY. I would love to see NQ overall come back down, fill me out. Let me have a great day. Don't do anything dumb here. NQ. I will have to get out. That's what happens sometimes. Like the dust, dude. Like the dust. I would love to see this thing fade back off down to that low there. Down to the low here would be amazing. NQ here. Okay. It did come below the trend line. I was, you know, pretty confident in that, but I did not, you know, really get that.
The games they're playing. So the Dow has completely turned. Took out the lows, took out the highs. See how this 30-minute candle closes. Oh man.
Both sides. Thank you for your time this morning, helping us sort of try and understand what happened and what's to come. Appreciate it.
My pleasure.
Still ahead, another luxury warning, this time on Burberry. We'll talk about what that means for retail names. Shares down almost 10%. We're back from the break at 2.
Oh, dude, that sucks, bro. That just basically took out that entire art. Okay, I'm still in it. It's okay. I'm not complaining yet.
Nice, nice. Quick scalp, Abby. I like it.
Yeah, don't like DCAs at all. I don't want a DCA here. Just cause I don't feel like it's a great idea. You gotta stop that. Damn, bro, that took out the entire RTY gain. Ah, that sucks. Oh, that sucks, bro.
It's all right. You make it back. You make it back.
Yeah, bro, this shit sucks though. Okay, let me make sure I have no other freaking order placed or anything. Oh my goodness, bro. That's so trash, dude. Okay. All right,
Terrible.
let me get that. Not revenge trading, but just let it rock.
Come on.
So
Get
short
down
two
there.
downside here. Just gonna see what we can do. Just see what we can do. Nice upper shadow there on RTY. Seeing what he can do here if we come back down, hold these lows. Yeah, you're probably right on that one, Darth Trader. You're probably right on that. I think I will. I'm just chilling out. I'm not upset or anything. I'm like kind of just like, okay, that's a dumb mistake I made. Definitely just gonna, come back to the.
I was
you know,
upset
come
and
back
this
up to the end,
took
get
all
good.
of it.
So like I said, RTY just the downside off that upper shadow, not a bad play. Off my high basically here. So I would love to see this thing spike back down. It doesn't move insanely fast, but this is gonna be the last trade for a little while I do, just chill out because I do not want to overtrade and let that one play be the end of,
Yeah, you definitely not you, buddy, but now I'm just about to reply to someone in the chat. Yeah, if you notice that first thing in the mornings, like all this back and forth, you end up losing, just wait for your time. And again, for those of you guys that if by 10 o'clock, 10:15, or even now, like if you've made some money first thing in the morning, wait till the afternoon to potentially get back in, or just don't trade for the rest of the day. I was explaining this with Buddy yesterday. $500-$600 a day adds up real quick. Okay, if you can average out again $500 a day every single day, let's say for 5 days out the week. All right, that's $2,500 a week. All right, that's 10 grand a month. All right, so just let that sit in. If you can come in first thing in the morning, you make $500-$600, call it a day. There's no need. Yes, making 1,000, 2,000 would be really nice, but you know what's also going to be really nice? When you're consistently making 10 grand a day off of just 5 or even 20 minutes worth of work. You guys have to get into that habit of first. So first, consistently come in, make 500, make 600, walk away. The more you do that, you're building that good habit where it's like, okay, now if you can consistently make 500 a day, it's just a matter of position size. You want to make 1,000, double whatever the position is. So right now, if you're doing 2 contracts on NQ, you make a quick 15 points. Boom, there's your like if you do it on one contract, you make a quick 15 points, you're making a little over 250. If you do 2 contracts, boom, there's 500. So now that means the following days when you come to trade, hit it with 4 contracts. You hit it with 4 contracts, there's your $1,000 a day. You start making $1,000 a day, you're making 20 grand a month.
Yeah, buddy.
You know what I mean? Quick and easy. Like it's man. Like we get so caught up on like I want to make 3K today. The hell with that. Make what you can make. Go do something else. And I'm saying this specifically to Charting Queen because she be killing it, man. Like she be up, first thing in the morning, like myself, she'll be up 15, 1,000, 1,200, and then she continues to trade, and then it comes, and then it goes all back to the market. It's like, yo, make 12, 1500 a day, walk away. Because I know a lot of you got. A lot of you guys don't guys and ladies don't have the discipline to like look at a chart and just not execute a trade. Like very few can actually just look like, okay, this is not really it. I'm just gonna sit down. Like I can literally sit here and watch and see like, okay, you know what, I'm not gonna take this trade, and I don't. But if I do take the trade, I'm gonna take it with a micro. Right, I'm not gonna try to give back all of my gains.
Right. Yeah, guys. Yeah, definitely. You know, take that into consideration, man. And you guys just have that one play come to hand, bro. And you guys are morning makers, bro. There's people that literally just trade in the morning. Actually, I watched a video on that. This guy, he would trade all day. He'd make like 100K a day, and then in the last hour, power hour, every single day, he'd give back. He never understood why. And like his mentor or whatever literally just told him to stop trading power hour, and that was really it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So for you guys, it might be a little bit different. It might be the opposite, though. Just trade, you know, your 1 hour, maybe just trade 9 to 10 a.m. or 10 to 11 or whatnot, whatever you're trading is on. And then get out, baby. Go enjoy life. I'm not here to sit here all day.
Yep, facts. You know?
So that does suck. I just stack all that crap. But, oh, damn, bro. Dude, that was so dumb, bro. Sit here. I don't know. Okay, whatever.
It's a funny paradox because this year for markets,
It's all right. It's all right.
I think that would start to boost the art market, the luxury market, the classic car market. We're seeing all those.
I should have looked to see that I had an extra bio to fill somewhere along the line. I don't know why I didn't look when I heard stop build. I literally heard the word stop build, and I'm like, I don't have this. Okay, whatever. I just wanted out it because I didn't think about it.
In the beginning of the year, with the reopening,
Yeah.
there's still a lot of these companies that say, well,
Definitely been guilty of having that happen.
early 2024, it's going to be great.
Right.
I don't see
I know. Learning lesson.
a reason in China to believe that high end,
Other
which
yes to the rich star.
executives are being detained left and right. We have massive flight of capital from China right now. Reluctance to spend in general for social
Yes, right here, bro.
For social reasons, and people's real estate is underwater. They haven't gotten wage increases, so I don't really see where the hope is. But you listen to the calls, the earnings calls, and even our birth rate. We're still hopeful about China.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, guys, so I'm chilling out. Yeah, I really can't complain too much, man. I mean, you know, it is what it is. I mean, great day, honestly. Amazing day. So call it RTY for a total of $470. But yeah, not a bad day, man. Can't complain, but yes.
Not a bad day at all.
NQ lost about 16. So,
The UN and World Health Organization say negotiations are going on right now to evacuate the hospital. Hundreds of patients and staff remain inside the complex, according to Israeli military.
did you train RTY? Yeah, buddy. Yup. Did indeed. I'm loving RTY, man. I'm loving it. Okay, let's see if we can get this 58.
They arrested a man who slammed
I don't know what's
police estimate
riding out one.
The Athletics are cleared
Riding out's too fun. Yeah, I actually do too. Going to the
allow
upset.
A's to move to Las Vegas, but legal challenges over state funding of a new stadium there could still threaten the move. Sarah, back to you.
Okay, Christina, thank you. When we come back, the state of the year-end rally with Charles Schwab's Liz Ann Saunders. Her take on this week's softer inflation data, the bond market rally, and why she's warning of a possible market indigestion story ahead. We'll discuss. Don't go anywhere.
I'm gonna take a short here. My stop loss is going to be 8560.
Entering short on the Dow Jones. Short the Dow.
Guys.
Let's go. Hey, Tango. What's up, Tango? Is his name Tango?
Oh yeah, you hear? Yeah, you hear him? Yup, yeah. He's letting us know. Good position. Good job.
Good short. Good short. Don't mess up. Don't mess up, buddy.
Yeah, you got it. Yup, Tango, yup, we're here, buddy. We are here. We're active today. We got you, man. Don't you stress it. Look at that red continue here. Let's give him a point. Nice green to red flip here. Below the price of 80 again makes you feel confident. Q with it. And Q with it.
Yep,
Or
yep.
yours, what?
Come on. Keep it going, baby. Keep it going. Keep it going.
Wow. There you go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's
man,
go.
that's
Let's go. Go sexy. Go sexy. Go. Go sexy. Go sexy. Go.
Haha.
Sexy time. Let's go. Oh yeah. Holla if you got a dollar. Holla if you got a dollar.
Yeah, buddy, dude. It is really double rooming here, guys. Wow,
Yep.
dude.
I'm adding to my ES short. Just added to my ES short. Let's go. Oh, beautiful ad. Yes.
Okay, wait. No, I just got an order filling something.
Drop, baby. Drop. Let's go.
Okay, NQ again messing with me, bro. NQ again messing.
Don't tell me you're in a long.
Yes, bro.
Stop playing.
It just messed with me.
Stop playing.
I got it immediately, bro.
Bro, you're messing with me. You're...
No, like genuinely, it just tried to F with me again, dude. This is God basically being like, did he learn? Did he learn from his mistakes? Because I'm up. Sorry, my girl's like right over there. Yeah, so I'm up enough, guys. I'm up enough to make him be like happy little camper, happy little bugger.
And she says there's been the
Nice.
economy and employment have she sees
Let's go. Beautiful ad.
Welcome to the game show, baby.
inflation. She says still
Welcome, welcome. I hope you guys are enjoying this short. Lovely. I've added. Let's go. Beautiful.
Now, guys, for the first time here, we're presenting
Ooh, Abby, 17 on that one. Ooh, another 2 contracts. You go.
all we're looking at now are cut probabilities.
That's what I'm talking about.
Let's play out right now.
Time here,
You know,
0%
nothing
cut
crazy on the
probability in
day.
December, so 99 or 100% chance of unchanged. January, a 4%
You know,
cut
NQ's trying to
probability.
mess with me.
March,
But
36%.
NQ also helped me
May now
out.
69%. So within a
Still, bro,
few short
love to
months,
see
the
it.
market has pretty much baked in the idea of a cut in Fed policy. I tee this up because we do have an interview coming up with Loretta Mester, the Cleveland Fed president, and we're going to ask her that question. That's the question.
Below
that all
80,
Fed
I do
folks
like
are
it.
putting up, but I think it's the question they
Come
don't want
on.
to answer.
I want you to break under
Susan Collins, the
4,500.
Fed president tomorrow. We have a 10:15.
We're getting
I guess
so
it's
Oh,
close.
baby, there. Oh, dude, oh my
Susan
goodness,
Collins.
it is getting
That's
there.
gonna
Wow,
be the question,
wow,
guys.
wow,
You gonna
wow.
cut Sarah, or you're not gonna answer the question? I guess is where we're at right now.
But I feel like, Steve, even if they say we're a long.
Yeah, buddy, M2K is micros for RTY. Oh, okay, noted. Thank you,
What?
M2K.
Yeah, and here's the thing. I don't know about you, Sarah, but I have.
I'm gonna close it up. 8:30 on the day. Yup, buddy. Close it up, man. Do not, don't sit here and hold out and do any dumb stuff. Yup. Get in, get out, baby. Nice job there, Darth Vader on the day. Loving it. Loving it.
It's going to start to price this in. It may have already priced it in. It's a really interesting question. And how the Fed pushes back on this, I will say, Loretta Mester in early October talked about this idea
Come
of the Fed,
on.
once it hit the peak rate, coming up with a framework for the market to at least understand or process that data. You remember there was the Evans rule when the Fed was
Wait and watch it, guys.
talking
We'd love to
about
see it come
whether
in.
or not
Nice.
hike rates
Let's see
again
sandwich time
and
potentially. Let's see
setting
that
some
come in.
benchmarks on economic
Time
data.
to close
I
it
don't
up
know
for
if
the
they're gonna
day.
go there,
Absolutely.
Sarah, but it is
If you're up on the day, it is definitely time for you to close it up. I mean, London is approaching.
When are you cutting?
Oh, okay, Dark Trader. I'll rock with you, brother.
Do you see that? Yeah, buddy. Doing a great day. I
Mm-hmm.
love it, guys. Today's an opportunity kind of day, guys. I love it. I'm glad to see all of you guys up printing on today. You know, just keep it up, man. Keep it up, guys. Keep it up. This is exactly what it is. Lock it up, get out, man. This is what consistency builds. Consistently making $400, consistently making $500, even consistently making $100 if you're going, you know, whatever account you're on. It all adds up. Everything adds up. Doesn't matter if it's $1 or $10 or $1,000.
You get either an outside inflation report or much stronger economic reports that causes what has been this retreat in yields that has been very much to the benefit of equities in the case of the 10
Still recovering, that's good.
to
It's good that you can take a hit like that though, during, Rambo, and just walk away. And be able to be like, okay, I'm gonna make it back the following like week
in
or
the correction
couple days or
starting in
whatnot.
late July.
So that's
I
what
think
matters.
would be
That's
tough
what
for the
matters. That
market
you're able to
to
just
handle.
walk away and be
In
like, okay, I'm
turn,
okay.
though, I I think
What's
a
that? Like,
really
yo,
big
we
drop
up,
in
we keeping
yields
it
from
pushing,
here is
baby.
not really the right
Ooh,
ingredient. I think
Nasdaq, yes,
that
baby.
just
Nasdaq is about to
finding
break this lows. I think she's gonna break these
stability in yields
lows.
is probably the most important
Come
ingredient
on, give
for
it to
this
us.
rally to have
See
legs.
what a
But I
little
do
bit,
still
little
think
bit of
it's
patience
undervalued.
gives you. See what a little bit of
Yeah, I know,
patience.
bro. I
So
know.
was gonna ask
I
you
know,
if
dude.
the
You're gonna hope as
if
well.
the move from over 5% on the 10-year to now 444
know.
has caused a change in thinking.
Love to see some
and
green
your
and red
view
on
of the
RTY.
market
Down to
overall,
price of
because we are away from those
1777.7.
higher, scarier yields.
Seven
So we didn't know what to do to the
Holy moly.
economy.
Right, and they fortunately they weren't
See
there
what
It's
for
about to
long
take
enough,
a
I think, to have a
long.
significant impact other than through the equity market because of the the much shorter reaction function associated with that. So I think back down at levels that we saw in advance of that spike up, which had a lot to do with positioning. Yes, it was an increase in the term
Right,
premium,
limit.
but it was a really mixed bag of reasons why you had that shoot higher in yields. Seeing that settle down clearly has been to the benefit of the market. But I think a more significant retreat in yields, if it's not sort of also accompanied by ongoing disinflation, could be a signal of a much weaker economic
Love to see
backdrop.
us
And I'm not
break
sure
this higher low
that's
pattern
built
here
into
on RTY.
expectations. So I think we are
Yeah,
at
outside.
that point where it's more about lower
It's coming into
volatility and
place right there,
stability
guys.
in
It's right there,
yields
guys.
that would be most helpful for the equity market
How low
versus
can
a
it go?
shoot higher
At
because of
least down
inflation
below today,
reasons or
below
a
that price,
significant shoot
1700
lower
flat, I'd say.
due to
Yeah.
much more significant concerns about the economy than what exists right now.
Oh, excuse me,
Basically,
1770.
now we're talking
1700
about,
flat would also be
central
great.
banks globally. I know Goldman
Well, on
Is that capital
RTY,
coming in?
as early as March.
What's up?
let me see.
Below
No, I'm like,
where we are.
now saying RTY, I'm gonna see what it pays per tick.
In a race to cut, for example.
I th-
Well, there might be more of a race to cuts coming sooner outside the United States. It was interesting listening to the conversation before I came on about the market and the Fed not really being in sync with
$5 per one. Okay, one tick.
Still sort of
Okay,
pressing
not bad.
higher for longer. Keep in mind that
So similar to the Dow.
for lack of a better word, accurate
Right.
in saying, hey, we're not
Oh,
cutting anytime
go,
soon.
go,
Remember,
ES,
a year
go,
ago,
baby,
the
go,
market
go.
was
Give me
priced to
4,500. Give me 4,500. I'm sitting on my hands. I'm sitting on my hands. I'm sitting on my hands. No, I'm
I
not.
just don't think
Spirit fingers.
information to say, okay, high likelihood
There we
of
go.
May,
Come on, baby. Come
as
on.
Steve suggested, if you were to
Oh,
extrapolate
Yep,
the
Nasdaq has
circumstances
broken the
and
lows.
such
Let's
Oh,
go.
wow.
Yes, baby.
everything moves fairly
Oh,
quickly.
thank
But
you, thank
if
you.
you were to extrapolate the
Taking
current
some
set of circumstances,
profits.
it doesn't justify the Fed
We gonna
pivoting
lock
from
this
the most
up.
aggressive
We gonna
tightening
lock this
cycle
up. You be
to
taking me
actual
for a
rate
ride, you
cuts. It's
dirty
certainly
little hoe.
possible, but it probably only happens
Uh-huh.
with inflation continuing to
I'm gonna
come
talk,
down
I'm gonna talk
and
cat shit,
maybe
right? I'm gonna talk
deterioration
mad smack, and then when this thing
so
starts acting up,
I
I'm
think
like, no, 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 I'm so sorry. I'm like, I'm gonna start talking
Yeah,
all
right.
nicely,
Oh,
like, no, I didn't mean that. You know, you're so sweet to me. Come on, you know I love you. Like, come on, girl, stop playing.
I think that's going to
Do what you're supposed to do.
more sooner than it is in the United States, and then that interest rate differential.
I know, right? Treat her nice. I know, I know.
For now,
Yo,
Yeah, dude, yeah, this is.
because we've started pricing
yo,
cuts,
yo,
but I think
gotta
that
treat her
might
lovely.
change.
Like, nah, come on, girl. You know I was just fronting, man. You know I'm not about that life.
Well, I mean, our viewers have just seen the S&P performance for the year, largely driven by what, 7 stocks, 94+% or something on average,
Not bad.
and account for an enormous
Stop loss on ES is now slightly in profit.
What about the rest?
So, and I did close out one at the bottom of 45.10. I'm all out of NQ on the break of the low. Let's see how this looks. Damn, but that was pretty solid. ES is still looking.
I think we do have 17. I my next one place at 17. 1773.60.
Then you try to see where leadership has resided and where the laggards
So it would be
have
up.
been. Yes, there is a technology bias to
Good enough.
leadership.
Good enough.
But
I'm still
really
up.
where there's been the most
I'm still
consistent
up.
leadership is
Plus
at
to
the
be up.
factor
Still
level. And
on
in
that.
particular,
Usually errors like that would cost
like
people
strong return on
mentality
equity, lower
would cost people
volatility,
a lot
and in
more than
particular, strong interest
and then make
coverage.
it
If
all
there's
back
one
to green. So
fundamental
it's great.
supporting
Love to see, love
Magnificent
to hear.
Seven is
Love
such
to
a
be
big
about, guys.
driver,
But
is that
we're
if you
working on,
looked
guys.
at those
Patience,
7
baby.
stocks
Holy.
and considered them
So let's see it
like
green
they
to
were
red
their
here if we
own
can.
sector,
Push
first of all,
session
they'd be
low
about
of
30% of the S&P. So wow.
1700
But they would
$76
have
and what seems to be 40 cents right there.
lowest
Not going
interest
down. I love
expense
it.
and the highest interest coverage. So if you did want a fundamental to point to, that would
S&P.
be it. But that's
S&P
also
below, it's,
the types of factors
you know, I am
that
tempted
work
on maybe
outside of just
a
those names
contract,
as
an
well.
S&P contract.
But then is there a sector
Maybe
that you
about
like right
market
now? Or
order
you
in
still
on it.
sort of
Maybe
sector
about, we get
agnostic,
about like
going
3 of them.
quality
What
in
would
this,
that be worth?
kind of
Just to kind of
environment
test the
where
water on
the
it.
economy's slowing, but with the treasury rally, market
Come on,
volatility.
come
We
on.
think there's
Oh,
maybe
come
some
on.
interesting
Can we get a
opportunities
a
within
30-point drop today would be
financials. I think you have to be
just
pretty picky.
All right, guys. So I would have gotten in, but my instant buyer power thing.
Give me
There
a
it goes,
second.
guys. Wow. I would have just gotten in on the short. I think it's great
Hello?
here. I
We
think
do
S&P should
continue
put
to
green
think
right
Good,
there.
and you?
most
Same with
investors, stock picking oriented
Wow.
investors,
Oh,
Buying
lovely.
for
Welcome
shares,
back.
and applying
not
that
for
screening